The Wampa does not come with this. We just The Wampa space is the size of the box. There's one. Which brings me to my next point. This is an RC vehicle. You can control it with your iPhone and make it walk. Or your iPad. Right now, an iPad in the upper. You did two. And then on top, it just says Star Wars Rogue One.
Ano na sa
Some
camera?
more Star Wars drawings. And then the bottom, it shows you sports. It shows you
Kapit. Pero ako ginagawa ko.
and see what they can do.
My favorite sport.
Favorite part na dyan, magkakalala.
No, my styrofoam.
Right out, that's pretty cool.
My usable styrofoam.
We have the stickers.
Mini styrofoam. Mini styrofoam. My face. Oh, you broke my hand.
This is awesome. And then we got the legs.
Ha? Binibring ano? Pero, binibring na naman. Pero wala na, no? Pero ako dito. 20 pesos. Ako dito, ako rin nandun ba? Gusto mo induction talaga to? Sa palinis. Sure ka? Ako ba?
My hand break. Ow, my hand.
Meron tayong bagong lutuan. Dahil masira ang ating induction cooker. Biglang pumuto. Meron tayong bago.
18 Pokemon.
Timorflex. Ganda rin siya kasi ano siya, sarado yung mama. Ha? Naalala niyo yung sakura dati. Dito yung natitinag sa mama. Tapos